Good morning to all the students. I'm Dr. Shruti Mishra. I'm Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, namaste. Today we will going to discuss about the models of the OB. So this is a part 1 and we'll study in the next lecture, that will be part 2. So there are 4 theories basically, that is autocratic model, custodial model, supportive and collegial model. So there are 4 models. In both of the parts we'll discuss about two models each. So we'll start with the autocratic model today. So autocratic model is a basic model of OB, that is organizational behavior. So basis of this model is a power. Power is the only important, or the you can say a central part of this particular model, that is an autocratic model. What are the managerial orientation was? Managerial orientation was authority. Like we can take the example of Hitler, or we can take the example in today's scenario of Kim Jong Un, right? He's a South Korean, he's a North Korean leader, and he's an autocratic leader because the base of the model is what type of leadership he's having. He's a leadership is having a autocratic leadership. What are the model is, he's having the power model, right? The managerial orientation is towards the authority. Everyone should everyone should obey what exactly he is trying to say, what he is conveying. Everyone should say yes, nobody can say no. So this is the model is which we call as an autocratic model. So employee orientation is towards the obedience about the what exactly boss is trying to say. The employee's psychological result is dependent upon the boss. So basically employees are dependent upon the boss. Employees have to be very obedient towards the boss. So these are the basic structure about the either way around you can say that this is the basic parameters of the this model. Employees need the meat of the substance level or the survival level. So the employer only give that much of amount that is sufficient for the survival of the employee, right? So there will be no luxury, there will be no additional benefits are there. Only survival benefits shall be given to the employees. So performance result will also be minimal because people don't want to work under that particular model. So that is an autocratic model. The next one is custodial model. Custodial model means the basis of this model is economic resources. Now this is a bit changed model from the autocratic model, because here the economic resources are more powerful than the boss, than the power. The managerial orientation is towards the money. So now the authority has been changed. The authority has been changed to the money. It was from the boss to the money. Employees orientation is towards the security and benefits. Now the orientation has been changed. Employees are getting the benefits and the security for their work in whatever the organization they are working with. Employees psychological result is dependence on the organization. They are depending upon the organization because they are getting the security out of it, because they are getting the benefits out of it. So employees needs met about the security. So basically the job security is there, so employees needs are met at that particular level. Now the performance result will be passive cooperation. Employees are working with their hard works, and employees are cooperative in the nature because they know that they will get certain type of benefits, they'll get the job security out of it. So now from the autocratic model to the custodial model, it is bit different in the nature. So these two are the models which are important for the study. Another two models we will study in the next part of the lecture. So thank you so much, students. I hope you have this session was lucrative for you. Session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you so much, students. Have a great day.